Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Thursday. So I come to you with the cutest little dash maker, Bundt heart dash maker, and that is what it looks like. We're going to put it up close and we're going to try it out today. And we're going to make a cake that I'm going to give to a friend. We're just using the classic yellow cake, and I'm just gonna doctor it up just a little bit by adding an extra egg, milk instead of water, and 1 cup of butter. Now I would put a pudding in here, but it's going in this little maker, and I didn't wanna do too much. We just wanna see what it does, okay? But let's dissect this little maker, you guys. It is so cute. That is the inside of the maker. And this is what you put down first because this is going to help you remove the cake once it is done. I love the fact that it's got that little heart center. Is that not the cutest? So adorable. This is the direction of how to use it. I believe you fill it to 3/4 cup, okay? But we're going to see how everything works. And I'm so excited. So let's see how it works. I'm gonna go ahead on and plug this, let it preheat like it said. In the meanwhile, I'm going to mix this really quick, y'all. Really quick, she gonna mix this, okay? We're gonna add the bake. I'm not even gonna mix it with a blender. Let me mix the cake mix. Y'all know how it goes. We have the eggs, I have the milk, and I have the butter. I'm not gonna bore you. Next time, this will be nicely mixed, so stay tuned. All right, you all, so this is what the mix looks like, all nice and together. Now we're going to preheat the cake pan, and also says to spray it, okay? So we wanna make sure that it is coated well. All right, there we go. We got it sprayed, and now we're gonna preheat it. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's see. How cute. Oh my goodness. So this does get a little hot on the corner. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Let's see, let's try to take it. Look how it drops right on the plate. I love it. It is, oh my goodness, you guys.
It's so cute.
That is so adorable. Again, then I'm gonna go ahead on and add some more cake mix. So you wanna go around, that's the key. And you don't wanna get it. So go about right. I say there. What you think, Mom? And then you can spread it so it can look neater. Of course, it's gonna spread when I get into the thing. All right, here we go. So let's put it down. And there we go, we're gonna wait. Meantime, let's look at this little cake. It is really cute. What I like about it is that it does say you can open it so you can see how much browning. This is evenly brown. I just absolutely love it. It is so spongy. It is so spongy and soft and perfect to just decorate. This looks like a little donut, don't it, Mama?
It does.
It literally looks like a little donut. This makes a lot of clicking noise. And right now, the light looks like it's on. We know it's not done. I'm not gonna open it. I'll be making a lot of these little cakes and giving them away. And then look at my Rice Krispie treats I did today. I'm gonna put these in my new lock and lock. And I'm going to give these away to a friend. But they look yummy, you guys. Didn't they turn out cute? Very, very cute. Okay, let me just let you all see that you can open this. See, I'm opening it and then I shut it. You can check it to see where you want. So we're gonna let this cook and then we'll see what it looks like once it's done. Stay tuned. All right, you all, let's see. This one. Oh, she needs to stop. All right, let's take this one out. Okay, I think this one got a little browner than the other one. I just love, okay, it did. Let's see. This one got a little browner. Yeah, this one got a little browner than the other one, but hey, they are both so cute. They are both so cute. I can't. These are so stinking cute. So we're gonna make another one. Y'all, she on a roll. Chocolate brownie would be fantastic in this. I'm just already knowing. We're gonna time it this time. Okay, so we're gonna bring that on around there like so. Fill it to just about right there. We're gonna take the spoon and just dance around here like that. And let's go ahead on and close it. All right, mommy's timing it now. In the meantime, that's what we're looking like. These are they're so adorable. I can't. Y'all, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna let these cool off just a little bit more. Now this one's a little higher than that one, if y'all can tell. Just a little bit. It's a little higher than that one. And then, you know what? I'm gonna dissect one. Let me see which one looks the prettiest. I think I wanna keep that one. This one just came out, but let's dissect it. Cause y'all might say, girl, is that really done? I don't know. Okay, y'all, look. And that is moist. Okay, look at this. It's still warm, but look at that cake. Yes, ma'am. That is done. Isn't that, mama? Mm-hmm. Let me taste it. Look at the moisture. And it's not that sweet because it's just classic yellow cake. Once you put the frosting on, it's going to be sweet. But I wanted y'all to see that is done all the way through, child. Yes, it is. You can probably even take it out a little sooner if you wanted to. I'm not going to do this one because we're going to frost in this one. But this is the one we just pulled out. Mom, you want to taste it? Okay, mommy's going to taste one. Look at how spongy that is. That is so moist. A chocolate cake or a brownie? Ooh, child. All right. I'm going to decorate that really cute, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're taking this one out. Oh, because it's hot. All right. This one, it was done. It's what time, mommy?
It's 4:30 now, about 3.5 minutes.
About 3.5 minutes? Okay, y'all. So we're going to move this one up. And then we're going to flip this one. I love how it just comes right out of that little holder that helps. And there we go. that is so, I can't. All right, so I'm going to let these cool off. I'm going to cook a few more, and then I'll show you guys how they look once they're decorated. Stay tuned. But after this, I like to cover mine just to keep the moisture in. It's looking really good. They're cooling off. I have another one in right now. I'm going to finish up this batter. I'm just going to go ahead on and put a little bit of this on top. It's already done. She doesn't have to use buttercream, and I'm going to use some sprinkles that I have. And these are going out as nice little gifts, child. All right? I'll show you all how I do that. So stay tuned once everything is cooled off. Stay tuned. So I think this is how I'm checking to see if it's done. All right, we got that. Now we're gonna get the towel and we're gonna bring it over to the plate, and it just flops out. Voila, just like so. And I have a couple of more to do, but I'm gonna let this cool off here with the others. So we have our frosting here. It's it's a lot. Finished cakes, and they're cooled down a lot. Okay, and we're gonna frost some. So let's get started. Alrighty, let's just frost a little bit on around here. And you can you can decorate these any old kind of way you want. You can use the little frosting tips if you want, but child, she just gonna do this today. Cause the cake is really not that sweet. Where they're gonna get the majority of the sugar is from the frosting. Okay. And we just want to frosting the top. You can go all around if you want. I'm gonna show you guys. Isn't that pretty? And then we're gonna take some of these sprinkles. Remember, whatever sprinkles you have that fall on the plate, you can pick those back up and use them again. How cute. This is so adorable. I love it. Isn't that cute? There we go. So adorable. Okay, we have one more cake left. Almost done. Okay, so I'm gonna frost another one. These are almost like little cupcakes, huh, Mom? These are so fun once they're cooled off completely to do with your grandbabies. So fun to do with your grandkids, especially the older ones. The little ones, I think it might be a little messy, but with the older ones, but I always say, let the little ones get messy. That's how they learn, you guys. That's how they learn. Just put all the stuff out, the little things that they're gonna need to wipe their hands, and let them learn. Okay, there we go. That one's really pretty. Let's check this. It just went off. It is done. I'm gonna let that cool off right there. And then now what we're going to do, we're gonna add some more sprinkle onto this one. How cute is that? I absolutely love it. Very, very cute. Okay, let me get this one out and then I'll do one more and we'll call it a night. And I'm gonna show you what's cute that you can do. That's even cute. If you did want to do the whole little cake, you guys, this is the cake plate. This thing, she's putting the frosting on the cake, yeah. So I'm gonna frost in this one all the way around. If that's what you wanted to do, you can. And I'm gonna show you what's fun. What would be the cutest thing ever is if you took this one and topped that off and made a layered cake. That is so cute.
That's too cute.
Isn't that? And I have some cake plates, the kind that you would put. Look how cute that is. That is so adorable. Too cute.
Heart cake.
A layer heart mini cake. So if you were concerned about, oh, I don't like this is what you can do. We're doing it right now. I'm doing it for you so you can see. You can even put some strawberry jam in that second layer if you wanted to. So it is stackable. You need to make sure that the cake is really cooled off. I think what's cute is that you can put the cake in the refrigerator if you are concerned about that, but it didn't even need a crumb coat. Look at that. This is so cute. It is so darling. It literally is a darling cake. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Is that not adorable? I absolutely love it. All right, you all. So this is the frosted little cakes and they are so cute. This is a 2-layer and these are just regular singular one. I wanted to show you what it looked like up close whenever you do it that way. What I would think would be cute if you put some strawberries on top of this. You can even put strawberry jam in the middle of this if you want. And it will still be really cute. Cut up little strawberries and put it on top. Just be creative, you all. This is a very cute machine. This is the last one that I had in there, y'all. It got the last bit of all of the brown. So this was the very last one, but it turned out wonderful. It is a fun, I think it's a fun little machine, little bundt cake maker. I think it is really cute. Something very festive to do when you want to make a cake for your friends. This even looks like Mickey Mouse, doesn't it? It looks like little Mickey ears. I thought that was really cute. All right, you all. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar for this Bundt Heart Mini Bundt Cake Maker review. You all, about a good 3 minutes, but it's literally up to what you like. You can open this and shut it. You just got to make sure that those grooves, this is sitting just like that so that you can shut it. Because if it's not up and it's like this, as you can see, it's not going to shut. So make sure that is. It still is a little warm, so you want to make sure you use some gloves when you're lifting this out of the machine. All right, you all, it is fun. It took us about 3 minutes for each cake to get through. Use a toothpick just to insert to make sure that it is completely done. And that is it, you all. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you and you all can come and check me out and see what I am doing. What is Shar up to today? All right, you all, take care of one another, love one another, and be kind to one another. Remember, always trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. God bless and bon appetit. Bye-bye.